Sticky rice. Okay. Beginning of making sticky rice, we are going to clean the rice first. Okay, we wash it. Make sure that you wash good. When you're done cleaning, you're done washing, then you soak overnight. That's the key. You have to soak overnight to make the rice is taste soft. Okay? In the morning, then I start to cook sticky rice. I use my special pot and put a little bit of water in there. So you don't want to put too much water in the pot. If too much, it's gonna take longer for rice to cook. If you put too little, might be burn the pot. Might the rice not cook. So you can see how much I put in there. So put a little bit, and at first I turn on the gas is very high. to let the water boil. After the water is boiling, then I lower the gas to the medium. So then I keep checking about like maybe 10 minutes or whatever. I don't know. I just keep checking like I just know when it's supposed to be ready to flip over. So when I see the rice it start to turn like a different color, you can touch it, just use the spoon and touch it, then okay, it's soft. Then you have to flip over. To cook the top, so if you guys don't know how to flip over, you just use like some spoon or whatever to make it turn over, and put it back about like maybe 5 minutes, something like that. Use like low heat, turn gas on low. Then that's it, all done. After 5 minutes, you just take it out. And just what I call just stir breath. Make sure like they even. So then after that, you can see I strip over make like a ball. So I can put the bamboo like tray is easy. So yeah. So some people they just put in the plastic cup or Ziploc, whatever, but I just do it like original style. So yeah, my mom even put like white cloth in there so the bamboo doesn't stick into the rice. So yeah, give it a try. Today I'm making deep fry chicken liver and deep fry chicken heart. So I like to eat that with the sticky rice, and my son too, I feed him with that sticky rice, soy sauce and chicken liver. Oh yeah, he like it. So yeah, give it a try. So if you have any question, just keep it below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.